Wonderful, my dear. And your name is?
My name is Caitlin Gardner.
All right, I can only remember one word. Okay, Caitlin, and your topic is?
Effective communication.
Perfect. Then you fit right in.
Great.
Here's Caitlin.
I am Caitlin Gardner, the owner of Blooming Communications, and we help companies grow through effective communications.
Okay, stop there. We do introduce ourselves. I would say something about them that they care who you are. What is your why do your clients hire you?
Well, I'm trying to figure that out.
Okay.
Thank you. But to help them with public relations.
Okay.
Public relations.
All right. How about this? People do business with people they know. People do business with people who do business with them. And more often, people do business with people they read about.
Well, write that down.
If you are looking to have more impact, in whether it's all right, so take that and then see how you would explain what you do if you want to be seen. Here's Caitlin.
Imagine being in the news and having your brand in the headlines. That's the power of public relations. Okay.
Sure.
Good.
Now, so be more specific.
Imagine seeing your brand name or your personal brand in the center of the Wall Street Journal or People magazine.
I think we all need to learn to pause. And I'm not saying don't move. Okay. However, at the beginning, stand still, because how you stand, this represents the stability of your message, the stability of your company. Do not distract from your own words with unnecessary movement. So you can then step into, and this is what we do, but at the beginning, stand still. Here's Caitlin.
Imagine seeing your brand or personal name in the Wall Street Journal or People magazine or a trade association that you're familiar with. That's what we do at Blooming Communications. We help companies grow. Your responsibility is to plant the seeds. My responsibility is to dig in and find the story.
Perfect. So add more pauses to that to sink in. It'll be wonderful. Thank you. Great.